Morning everyone. So it's Sunday the 16th. It's the club show of the day. It's just gone after 7. The van's loaded with the trays. I'm just waiting on Mick popping over. We'll put the rest of the little bits and pieces in. And we'll head off to Azure Garden Centre, where we'll meet up with all the lads, put the display on, and we'll bump into Scott Winner from Let's Do Bonsai. Scotty's popping up, so we'll have a big crack with him. So what I'll do is I'll just get some videos and that while we're over. I'm even thinking about taking the Chinese elm just to have a little bit play with, pass a bit of time, because it's going to be a long day up there. So we'll see you up there. So there's the van all loaded, nearly ready for the off. Side kicks turned up.
Side kick. Practice.
So the boss has lent us his van for the day. If you want any windows and doors and you live in the northeast of England or Cumbria, give them a shout and tell them you found it on YouTube and you might get 10% discount. Cheers, boss. So we're getting to the Azure Garden Centre a little bit early. We'll wait for the rest of the lads to pop up and get in. The sun's a bit bright. There's Mick having a look at the seat just to make him look small. That's the smallest table up, Mick, isn't it?
Might all be way.
So if you haven't had a look at the Azure, just to have a pop in when you're driving past one day. Great little garden centre. anybody in here?
Smile. I'm on candid camera again.
Again.
Famous.
Let anybody in here. Want the sword?
Hello, folks.
Hello, folks.
Hi guys, good afternoon. So I'm Rob Atkinson, Aka Matsu School of Bonsai. We've been to Azure Garden Centre in Cranling today for a little display on for the public, hopefully to create new members, to introduce people to bonsai. We run our club from Seaton Community in Seaton Seam. It's the first Thursday of every month. If you're in the North East and you want to come along, if you're from anywhere you want to come along, we start around about 7:30. We run workshops every now and again. Dates are always arranged and announced. And this is what we do basically. There'll be some videos with the guys on a couple of the YouTube channels. Hope you enjoy, I hope you like what you see, and I hope we see you in the future. Thank you very much.